They may be back in more familiar surroundings, but with a place in the final 10 at stake, can Gary repeat this morning's impressive performance?
All right, Gary, how are you?
Good, good.
Tell us, what are we doing here?
We are doing a Southeast Indian curry.
Curry?
Yeah.
All right. What, gonna have finesse to it, this curry?
Yeah, it should have finesse.
I hope so, I hope so. That's what we'd be looking for. Okay,
Yeah.
Gary.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
It takes a very clever, balanced curry to show that you can cook on MasterChef. So many other choices that could have been made from that pantry. But why did he do so well at lunch if he keeps flapping in here? What's going on? And is that flapping? Or is that just lack of vision?
We'll wait and see. About Gary's workstation.
Gary's messy, isn't
Oh, what is going on there?
Got a plan now. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to blend the sauce, and it will go into the bottle then. The chicken will be sliced elegantly. The sauce will be dotted around the plate, so it's just to make it look pretty.
Okay.
Because I didn't do that yesterday, and I was really annoyed at myself.
The final dish of this heat and the key ingredient challenge, Gary's Indian chicken curry.
The reason we give so much beautiful produce is that it gives you the opportunity to shine.
Yeah.
You know, you've almost cooked me a meal that would have at your house while we're watching football with a few beers. But the sauce is not bad.
Both of us spent a long time yesterday
Yeah.
wanting to give you another chance.
Yeah.
This is what you've done with this chance. It's curry.
Yeah.
It's curry, and this is MasterChef.
No, I'm definitely not.
You didn't undercook chicken?
No, it's gone.
Yeah, but me and Charlie are thinking the same about us, so... We don't know how many are going.
We have no idea.
Could be one or two going, we don't know.
I do know I have what it takes to be in the final 10, like I know that, but whether that happens now, I highly doubt it.
Some of you made an impressive start, and it's a shame that we have to eliminate today. Unfortunately, the next person to leave us is... Gary. Thanks, Gary.
Thanks, Gary.
Disgusted to be out, like. I'm not happy, yeah. It's my own fault. I can go home and I keep asking myself, why did I choose to cook curry chicken? But yeah,